had a trip to St. Simon's Island in Georgia. Hi guys! So, we stopped for gas, and so far the trip is going great. See a mockingbird on that pole. There's a little turtle, guys. Hi guys, so I'm back, and today I had a super amazing day. So vlog number 1 of St. Simon's Island, Georgia was a success. So I didn't vlog as much as I should have today, but I will tell you a little overview of what we did today. So we got on the island at about 1 o'clock-ish, and then we first we relaxed for about 20 minutes, and then we went to the beach, and the water was so warm, you guys. It was so awesome, and there was lots of birds there, pelicans, seagulls. I hope you enjoyed my photos from the beach. And then after the beach, we went to a very fancy seafood restaurant, and the food there was delicious. So yeah, we had a great day today, and I can't wait to see you next time for vlog number 2 on St. Simon's Island, Georgia. And I'll see you there.